I miss you, my adoration. Kid, I love you to such an extent I in every case long for your touch. Long for your touch days are not something very similar. Don't know warmth of world missing you every snapshot of life without you. Getting I intends to get by kindly return to me kindly get my lost merriment miss you so much life doesn't allow you and importantly life doesn't allow you on importantly to think I never am gained that I would need to live without you, my beautiful spouse. You realize that I wouldn't make do day in and day out. You gave me your help. Without you in life, I feel like a dormant you gave me that kick to come. Also, your face made me more solid. Can't envision the time I'm living. It's all crazy and it's also forlorn without you, my life. I just don't have any desire to be returned soon. As I miss you to such an extent, also I am hanging tight for you, my adoration, to be lost in your arms for eternity, to be lost in your arms. I had that vibe the world with you was so strange, the little recollections that I have in my heart. The sunshine of yearning in all along chill when you are not with me today. I need to admit it to you my way that I am missing you sense. So Langanthy, no, I can't be areas of strength for simply come and invents me to grow and make me yours as far as possible and keeping in mind that I miss you very much, believe that I think with you my grand has gone and my days are not something similar. Without you there is an inclination so low and blue dry not to wish to do anything my young lady I likewise don't mingle it on you are consistently at the forefront of my thoughts my young lady you are in my all over and thought child when you will return to me at the point when I will I get to see the grand which I am so missing you, child. Life isn't something very similar. I miss simply lost the entry day in your name. I am missing you to such an extent. You realize I feel you realize I want to remain underneath the water so nobody can see carry me wonderful extents without you is horrible. How much ever I attempt can't see past you, my adoration future more the times that I have enjoyed with you. It's so wonderful, so I accompany you future more the mint we spent so neutral return and see my exhibition without you. I feel so forlorn to know and can't envision my extents without you is each second and how I just should miss you. I miss you. You are worry throughout every day alive. My hobby. I miss your mindful nature. To you, I miss you. Your NXT for me. I miss the mints we used to giggly. I miss those and very one of the segments I miss you like never before today. See, so me went to make a request that kindly return it to me, cause I miss you to you. I love you so much. When I see the ear, at the point when I see the air of adoration around me, I sort of feel the desire. I see them express their adoration with heart. Recollect bygone times from start the days that I with you were greatest days for me. My adoration I feel so disloyed though stole. There is for all internets and purposes left no flesh. You are the light up. You are incredible radiance. Return, my beautiful young lady. What's more, give me an explanation each to get us is I am missing you much. You are dependably at the forefront of my thoughts. You are generally to me. You are in my heart. My adoration time simply deuce and stop going future more. I simply maintain that you should be aware that you are extraordinary and will remain. You have a spot in my life. Together we led this story of adoration. Future more I am honored to have you as my better half. Without you it's getting harder as I am missing you the evening. I am so missing you, my beautiful spouse. I miss you all thoughts. I miss you all. The day progressed, and I so miss you in the evening. Every one of the extraordinary days we had, that large number of sunless battles, can't remain without you, my adoration. You are my perfect partner. Without you in my life, I likewise don't recall the date. I love you and miss you much. I have surrendered. I have abandoned things I like also that has made me think that life was such a great deal similar. With you, it isn't similar to I flicker every second. I deacted to be of the multitude of recollections. I wish so to see. I need the days when we are together. We were dependably there for one another. I believe that you should return to me with the goal that I can wonderfully see two hearts join us, one with affection. My beautiful young lady, kindly return soon as I am missing you.